Hello for everyone, my name is Diana Cuellar. I am in the 7th semester of foreign language with emphasis on English. In this video I quick a little resume about the tax 1 activity. First, I want to start to the reflection that through the foreign language, like second acquisition. I am 25 years old and I live in Piedecuesta with my parents. Well, to start. Well, I would like to start to tell you that I don't have a certification, but I know that I have an intermediate level because I made a lot of course at Institute at VII. Also, as a proof, almost like 5 years ago, I presented an exam and my qualification was VII, so I think I have the level. As I told you, studying the Institute of Language at VIS during all my childhood and my youngest age. I am studying English as foreign language because in high school I had the opportunity to be exempted from taking exams or quizzes because of my easy and good performance in English class, which encouraged me to want to study different language, hearing since it makes the context easy for me. As a child, they had better hearing and have not been trained in a conditional way, which facilitates the acquisition of the second language. They have like a fresh memory without much information that could obscure their timely learning. So it is easy for them. I think that is the best way to learn a second language. But if we are adults, it's more difficult but not impossible. As a future teacher, which I aspire to be, I want to impart the knowledge of English and make students see that we can learn in a dynamic way and show them the importance of knowing other cultures and language, which not only help for work, but also to have in constant improvement of the mind as new knowledge are wise enrich our mind. As a teacher who wants to teach the second language, I will always be in direct contact with the new methodologies of teaching and second language and the new terms of the century to be more assertive in teaching and achieve native speaker of different language. Okay, later we throw to the question about the step 1. What is the purpose of the course? Straightforward language linguistics, sociolinguistic, and pragmatic competence through the accomplishment of oral production. This course we need that we have like a C1 level or B1 almost. So I think that is the biggest proof that I know a lot of English. So I think that is a good thing. And we have the learning upcoming. We have 4 on all the course. The synchronic interaction activities we have in the tax 2, tax 3, tax 4, and tax 6. And the final exam, we need to stay with a face-to-face or by Zoom or Skype or other web meeting to these courses. And the course have like 6 activities: the tax 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Almost we need to improve our skill to speaking in English. Also we have the 3-week conference with the dates and times and also the links. And what I thought about the rules and conditions for the course. This showed me the values of respect, honesty, and tolerance, and also want to improve all my skill in the English. Also, I need to constantly check internal course and institution email for reason of registration and participation in various synergic activities related to mandatory weekly meetings. Speech of various exams and presentation of webinar sessions. And take care that every Friday or Saturday I will review the course materials and instruction in the internal course mail to participate in the next week's meeting with the assignment training instructor and college. And my institutional mail is dmcuellarr@virtual.edu.com. So thank you so much for watching my video. See you in the next task. Bye bye.